stop making basic margaritas, you can instantly up your margarita game by simply using different syrups. And I made a whole bunch of homemade syrups just recently that'll help you make awesome margaritas. So let's make a pineapple margarita, a spicy chili margarita, and a hibiscus margarita. Let's do it. Okay, so this is a classic margarita recipe. We're doing 2 ounces of any tequila. I'm using Blanco. You could go Reposado if you wanted. We're gonna build all 3 of these at the same time. So 2 ounces of tequila. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce of orange liqueur. I'm going with the classic Cointreau today. You can use a Curacao if you want, triple sec, although triple sec will make it sweeter, and we are adding syrup, so maybe not triple sec, unless it's like Cointreau and it's 40%. Lime juice next, about 1 ounce of lime juice. And then we go into our syrups here. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce to 3/4 ounce, depends on how much flavor and sweetness you want. Don't forget to switch, if you're making 3 like me, switch the jigger for the syrups, otherwise you're gonna cross-contaminate your flavors. So I use the same jigger for all the tequila and the Cointreau and everything, but I am switching jiggers when I'm doing the syrups here. All right, give them some ice, and we are going to shakey shake, 3-fold, and then we are rimming the glasses with salt, and the spicy one is gonna get a tahini rim, because why not? Pour in your margaritas, and there it is. Okay. Well guys, we made our 3 awesome margaritas using our homemade syrups. You don't have to use homemade, obviously, but whatever, let's try them out. Now I have had a pineapple margarita before, so I'm gonna start with that one. I've had variations of a spicy margarita, but not this particular one with the ancho chili syrup, and I've never had a hibiscus, so looking forward to that one. Let's give this one a try first. Man, wow, that's good. This one's very classic, just has that extra little sweetness and tartness from the pineapple syrup. It's very, very refreshing, very nice with salt. Man, salt in a margarita, ooh, that works. But you don't want it every sip, which is why I like to only rim half the glass, because salt at every sip, too much. That is awesome. Let's try the spicy margarita using the ancho chili syrup and tahini on the rim. Ooh, that's nice. Not as spicy as some of the other ones. Like I've made spicy margaritas just by muddling some jalapenos or using a spicy liqueur. This syrup is not as spicy. The flavor is very reminiscent of Ancho Reyes liqueur, but if you don't have that, syrup is very easy to make. But rich, almost raisiny, slightly smoky flavor from the chilies. A little bit of spice. Let's try with the, oh, very nice with the tahini. Salty, but also spicy, very nice. Could be a little spicier, I'll probably make that one. I stand corrected. I think that was the tahini though. So the syrup could be a little spicier next time I make it, but flavor, whew, very nice. Hibiscus. Oh, that's good. Some people were commenting on my syrups video that they were wondering what the hibiscus flavor is. It's very fruity berry-like, so think like, you know, raspberries, blackberries, that kind of fruity flavor, but there's kind of like this undertone of floral herbal essence to it. So yeah, it's kind of like a slightly herbal floral berry. All right, we're gonna rate these 3 margaritas, guys. In first place, we're gonna give to the pineapple margarita. Absolutely amazing, that's one of the best. In second place, the spicy margarita using the ancho chili syrup. And in last place, the hibiscus margarita. Still good, I just find that maybe the tequila kind of buried that floral flavor a little more than that it did bury these flavors, but still 3 awesome variations, guys. But remember, guys, this is a base margarita recipe, and all we do is swap the syrup for something else. So you can easily make this any margarita you want. Mango margarita, blueberry margarita, lavender margarita. We made that last time. Coconut margarita, whatever flavor you want, whatever syrups you have, you can turn your margarita into a awesome flavored and colorful margarita. All right, guys, if you want to see our latest 12 syrup recipe, make sure you check out this video right here. Otherwise, if you want to see a whole bunch of margarita variations, we got lots. Check out this video or this playlist right here. Otherwise, guys, we will see you in the next one. Cheers.